Hello students, I am Sumati. I am working in GK Jain School. Today I teach the lesson for 10th standard social science, geography. The lesson name is India Location, Relief and Drainage. Introduction. India is the 7th largest country in the world. It is second largest in Asia. Location of India. Location and extent. India extends from 8 degree 4th north to 37 degree 6th north latitudes and 68 degree 7th east to 97 degree 2 east longitudes. Hence, India is located the northeastern hemisphere. We will see the chart. Major physiographic divisions of India. There is a varied nature of physiographic divisions in India. There are Himalayan mountains, Great Northern Plains, Peninsular Plateau, then the Indian Desert, the coastal plains and the islands. We will see one by one. First one is Himalayan mountains. The Himalayan northern mountains consist of the youngest and the loftiest mountain chains. The term Himalaya is derived from the Sanskrit as it means abode of snow. It is grouped into three divisions. They are the Trans-Himalayas, the Himalayas and Purvanchal Hills. What is the Trans-Himalayas? It is also known as Western Himalayas. It lies in Jammu Kashmir and Tibetan Plateau. Next one is the Himalayas. It constitutes the core part of the northern mountains. It is an young-fold mountain. The main divisions of the Himalayas are Great Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas and Sivaligris. Third one is Purvanchal Hills. These are the eastern offshoot Himalayas. It extends in northeastern states of India. Most of the hills are located along the border of India and Myanmar, while others are inside the hills, which are collectively known as Purvanchal Hills. Next one is the Great Northern Plains. The fertile land extending across 7 North Indian states from the Great Northern Plains. The important characteristics and sediment deposition plains, the Babar Plain, the Tarai Taral, the Bangal Plain, the Radar Plain, Delta Plains. Next one is Peninsular Plateaus. The plateau region lies to the south of the Great Northern Plains. This is the largest physiographic division of our country. The river Narmada divides the plateau region of India broadly into two parts. Northern Narmada is called islands. South Narmada is called Deccan Plateaus. Next one is the Indian Desert. We will move on to the desert. The Indian Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is a large and arid region on the north is western part of India subcontinent. 5 major divisions in Thar Desert. They are known as the actual desert region and the semi-desert region, and many different types of sand dunes and sand lakes dunes are seen here. Next one is coastal plains. The coastal plains, the peninsular plateau of India is flanked by narrow coastal plains of varied width from north to south, known as Western Coastal Plain and Eastern Coastal Plains. There are two types of coastal plain, Western and Eastern Coastal Plains. the islands, India has two major island groups, namely Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. The former consists of 572 islands are located in Bay of Bengal, and the later are 27 islands and are located in Arabian Sea. The islands of Andaman and Nicobar largely tectonic and volcanic origin. Next one is, we will see the drainage system of India. A drainage system is an integrated system of tributaries and a trunk stream which collects and drains by river, and its tributary is known as drainage basin. The drainage system of India is broadly divided into two major groups on the basis of their location: Himalayan river and Peninsular river. Drainage system, there are two classification: Himalayan river and Peninsular river. Himalayan river contains Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Peninsular rivers contains Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada and Tapti. Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. The Indus river system, the Ganga river system and the Brahmaputra river system have made the agricultural lands of North India as fertile land. These rivers are perennial in nature. Next one is Peninsular river. Narmada, Tapti, Mahi, Sabarmati rivers confluent with the Arabian Sea. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are the major east flowing rivers and drain into the Bay of Bengal. Thank you, children.